ये सवाल बाकी लोग ऐसा नहीं है कि देश में सिर्फ इसके अलावा भी लोग हैं। लेकिन मैं नहीं, संजय झा आप सुनिए, मैं जब तब चुप था, जो पीयूष बात करें मैं उनको भी ये कहूंगा, स्वीकार्य नेता है तो आप बाहर से लोगों को मत लाइए। कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसे भस्मासुर पैदा हुए हैं, वो अतिरेक में हुए हो, अति उत्तेजना में हुए हो, कि वो कहीं ना कहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी और नरेंद्र मोदी की जो छवि है उसको नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं। मैं खुद इस बात का शिकार हूं। आप अगर ये लिख दीजिए कि सुबह दिन बहुत अच्छा निकला है, तो वो नीचे लिखेंगे नमो 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 में भारत। इसकी क्या आवश्यकता है? आप वैसे ही लोकप्रिय हैं। संजय झा इसलिए काम नहीं कर सकते हैं कि कांग्रेस के पास सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पर देने के लिए कोई कंटेंट नहीं है। वो बोलेंगे क्या? वो राहुल गांधी को प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, राहुल गांधी का पेज
आम आदमी पार्टी self-righteous sanctimonious rubbish has stands exposed today. You can listen, you can keep talking till the cows come home, Mr. Vishwas, but the people of India can see that how duplicitous you were as a party. I don't want to discuss with you, but you know, Arnab, the point I want to make here, just to make a point here, that Cobra, I'm not holding a brief for Mr. Vishwas. Just a minute, Mr.
हमारे पास तो कंटेंट है, इसलिए
1 minute, Mr. Vishwas.
Anyway,
you are the team B of BJP. Everybody knows that. Yeah. Wow. Absolutely. The point I want to make, Arnab, is I remember when Cobra Post came out with an expose on the banking industry. There were many senior people from the banking industry where I was once there before who sniggered and said this was nothing but documented in some kind of fictitious way that was doubtful. Eventually, RBI took action on it. I can understand why Piyush Goyal is looking very disturbed and agitated and trying to look at some kind of an understanding between Cobra Post and Congress. I want to be upfront. The Congress has got nothing to do with what the Cobra Post has done today. And point number 2, the reason why he's trying to distort the topic, Piyush, is because of Stockgate, because of what has been exposed by Cobra Guest and Gulel on the issue of Narendra Modi as Sahib and Amit Shah hounding a woman, which has now become an issue that they cannot, no matter what they do, stifle. I think that's a worry. That's why they're trying to draw a linkage. I've heard BJP spokespeople on multiple channels trying to draw a linkage and say this is a biased propaganda. Let me tell you, Piyush, accept the facts of life, and you should apologize to the people of India for abusing the social media platform.
Sanjay Jha has no presence in social media. His party has lost the plot, and now they need to use their B team. Now look at the type of companies.
No, we have seen how you have won it.
Arnab,
fictitious,
look at the type of companies
and
they've
fraudulent.
used.
There are only 3 terms for you.
You will both. I request you. 1 minute. I know where this debate is going. You let me come in, please.
Arnab,
let me go. I want to set the rules here for 1 second.
Tell you about
no, Piyush Goyal, 1 minute. Piyush Goyal, you know what? Everyone's watching tonight. I know there are phone calls in the newsroom. People want to participate in the debate. I'm not letting them in. With a mark of respect to the viewers tonight, I have one rule I want to put in this debate tonight. Because it's past 10:30, I'm extending the news hour. I want Sanjay Jha and Piyush Goyal not to interrupt each other. Both sides can have their say. But this is not the social media.
Yes, but Sanjay Jha has to stick to the topic. He cannot start going round and round. I can start discussing all the series of corruption scams of this government. I can start discussing Colgate, Telecom, Commonwealth, everything if Sanjay wants to divert the subject. We are here to discuss this so-called sting which should have gone to the police for investigation if the minorities are being targeted by anybody. And the only people who are doing divisive vote bank politics in this country are already exposed, and Sanjay Jha represents them. And look at the companies, Arnab. The companies are Om Consultancy. It does body shopping and software development somewhere in Andheri. Cloud May India Private Limited. They don't even have a website. There's another Websol Media. It's small-time SEO firm. And they design websites for $99. There's Virinchi Software. It's a small setup that does website designing.
Who should answer that? Sanjay Jha or Cobra Post?
No,
who will answer that? Sanjay Jha or Cobra Post? I think Cobra Post answer
that. He's
from
Hubli.
No,
so all of these are fake firms, a fake sting, which has no substance.
Cobra Post
will answer that. Cobra Post will answer that. I give 1 minute for Cobra Post to answer that. 7 minutes on the News Hour debate. It's the turn of Cobra Post to respond to that. Yes, go ahead. Anirudh Bahal.
Arnab, it's like this. If you are going to, I'm very surprised that he has come to research. So obviously he knows something about those companies. So I hope it is not as they are saying that they have direct connections between them.
I'm surprised that Anirudh Bahl doesn't know.
Having a website or not having a website, having a website doesn't prove that they are not manipulating social media.
You get an idea of a company by going to their website, and we did just that. It took us 10 minutes to expose your sting.
Will you let me talk, please? Oh, really? I mean, if 5-6 people are saying the manner in which the companies which are ready to defame and take contracts out for anybody, and which we have proven that they have taken contracts out on malign, and those same companies are saying that they work for Narendra Modi's campaign, I think a serious question has been answered. Being responsible, I have not laid a single charge that those companies have done derogatory work or supadi work for Mr. Narendra Modi's campaign. That is a subject matter of investigation. But if you are going to say that those companies, they obviously say that on camera, their confessions on camera, and we stick by that story. And if you are going to say, if you're going to run down those companies, you're very wrong. They're very organized companies, some of them. It could be a small setup, but a small setup is also in today's technological world. There are various software available, various technologies available. They talk about that. They're using servers from outside. Ukraine, Germany, Russia, they are sort of masking their attacks.
No, but how come you have no evidence against the Congress party? No, one second.
Arnab, what does this
Just
prove?
1 second.
Just that
I'm not holding any...
How come there is one minute? I want to ask Anirudh Bahl.
I don't want to talk to Piyush directly. If you'll allow me, please.
Anirudh Bahl, just 30 seconds I'll take, please allow me. You didn't find anything against the Congress, or you didn't look for anything against the Congress?
We did.
You didn't find it?
Not at all. We were there. I mean, the investigation will go somewhere. Then and there's a historical perspective to it. There's a contemporary perspective to it.
No, the BJP says, Anirudh. The BJP, Anirudh.
If you are going to tweet...
Anirudh, I have... No, one second. First of all, let me preface this by saying... Anirudh, first of all, let me preface this by saying that both at a personal, professional level, I have great regard for your work as an investigative journalist over many years, many more than my own experience. But I must ask you this question. The BJP's basic argument against you is that how is it that on 15th of October, Kapil Sibal says as a press conference, and he says, I quote, a private army was employed by Modi to disturb the cyberspace in his favor. And then a sting operation goes public from your Cobra post just 1 month after he makes a statement which exactly validates what he says. Is that a coincidence, Mr.
I have no idea what
Arnab, we have been saying it for the past 1 year. Arnab, we have been saying it for the past 1 year. I have been saying it for the past 1 year.
But it is common sense what is happening.
We have been saying that for over 1 year and a half.
I mean, what I'm saying is, it's a very simple test. Today, you or me tweet anything against Mr. Narendra Modi, there'll be 50 trolls hitting you in 5 minutes. You say anything against Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, just compare the trolls. All I'm making a very simple point is that this is manufactured, organized outrage. This is not individual outrage. This is outrage artificially channeled by these kind of companies. Which is the most dangerous for our...
Every opinion poll.
One second.
Google ran an opinion poll which showed that the whole country is following Narendra Modi. The whole country is looking at Narendra Modi as the leader of the future.
One second.
That was Google's
I've followed your dictum.
As per Mr. Bahl.
I have not interrupted, but I need to make a statement.
Briefly, yes. Kumar Vishwas.
No, I need to make one quick statement. I'm very amused by Piyush Goyal's hypothesis. Does he expect these fake accounts to be done by Wipro and Infosys?
There are no fake accounts. The fake accounts are of your leaders.
I'm hearing from the BJP here. And let me answer
2 minutes.
A second question. Let me answer a second question here. And that is the fact of life that Piyush Goyal cannot ignore. It is on camera. Well, let me tell you, it is on camera. And number 3, the accusations have been made against you because they have been known for a long, long time. It is impossible that you can create followers who are able to hit every time.
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. Aam Aadmi Party comes in. Kumar Vishwas, Piyush Goyal after that. Piyush Goyal after Kumar Vishwas. Yes, Kumar Vishwas. Kumar Vishwas. Kumar Vishwas.
Piyush Goyal.
Between both of you, let the Aam Aadmi Party in, please. Yes, Kumar Vishwas.
I think Piyush Goyal is leading the dirty
मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य और हंसी है कि रियल वर्ल्ड में देश को बेइज्जत करने वाले कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता संजय झा वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में बेइज्जत करने वालों से माफी मांगने के लिए कह रहे हैं। और जो अनिरुद्ध बहल ने कहा कि राहुल गांधी पे आप लिखिए कोई ट्रोलिंग नहीं करता, भाई राहुल गांधी को कोई सीरियसली लेता ही कौन है इस देश में कि उन पे ट्रोलिंग की जाए। मैं तो पीयूष से कहना चाहता हूं कि आपके नेता अगर लोकप्रिय है, उनकी लोकप्रियता से कौन अस्वीकार कर रहा है? अब आप शांत
मिस्टर अविश्वास,
अब आप ये गाते रहिएगा। देखिए आप तो कहीं सी टीम में भी नहीं है, चलिए मैं मान लेता हूं, पर संजय झा यू आर नॉट इवन ए सी टीम ऑफ दिस कंट्री नाउ।
अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू हैव बीन कॉट ऑन
मुझे सुनिएगा, लेकिन मैं पीयूष से भी कहना चाहता हूं, आप करते रहिएगा। संजय झा आपके कहने से कुछ नहीं होता। आपके नेता का ट्विटर हैंडल देखिए, आपके नेता का फेसबुक कमेंट देखिए। हाँ, आप स्टिंग ऑपरेशन तो अर्नब गोस्वामी बताएंगे ना कि उनका आधा जजमेंट क्या था और आधा जजमेंट जो मैं बता रहा हूं, ये हमको मत बताइए आप। मैं तो पीयूष से कहना चाहता हूं कि कहीं ना कहीं उनके पूरा जो मोमेंटम साइबर वर्ल्ड का है, क्योंकि मैं आम आदमी पार्टी का साइबर वर्ल्ड देखता हूं 6-7 महीने से, और अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जो अर्नब आप कह रहे हैं या कहीं से ट्रोलिंग हुई है, तो मैं उन लोगों के लिए माफी मांगता हूं। और मैं फिर क्वेश्चन इस बात कर लूंगा, अरविंद ने बार बार ट्वीट किया, देश के एक बड़े जर्नलिस्ट के लिए कुछ लोगों ने लिखा था, अरविंद ने तुरंत कहा कि ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए। हम भी कह रहे हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अति उत्साही में पीयूष आपके कंटेंट राइटर कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं जिससे आपके नेता की छवि भी खराब हो रही है, और जिस विराट हिंदुत्व सनातन परंपरा को आप कहते हैं,
आखिरी जवाब,
जो चाणक्य को भी स्वीकार करती है, उनके खिलाफ
30 seconds. I give 30 seconds of a reply to Piyush Goyal.
अर्नब, कुमार को मैं बता दूं, बीजेपी में कोई कंटेंट राइटर की टीम नहीं है, हमारे यहाँ पे कोई सोशल मीडिया की टीम नहीं है।
पीयूष ये मत
जो भी हो रहा है वो जनता अपने आप करती है।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के बारे में
मेरा
भाजपा के बिकॉज
हजारों लोग फॉलोअर्स जो आते हैं उनको मैं हर 3 दिन में निकालता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी ऐसे फॉलोअर
वो भी जानता हूँ।
तो बीजेपी का कोई ऐसा
नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, इलेक्शन कर रहे हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के इस बात को रिकंसीडर करें, उनको नुकसान हो रहा है।
You see unsolicited advice, some unsolicited advice on the before I close the news up for the weekend. Gentlemen, the elections are happening in the real world, not the virtual world. And thank you very much for participating in that News Hour debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. And before I go, reminder to our viewers, you stay tuned to our live coverage tomorrow morning as those fast-paced developments take place in the Tarun Tejpal matter. And what do you think now that the victim has herself gone on record saying what happened to her was rape? Is Tejpal's defense and his game up? I'd like to hear from you. See you again very soon. Have a great weekend. Stay tuned to our coverage. Good night and goodbye.